Momento que Adele se quita la falda porque le pesaba por la lluvia que había caído.
I got a weather update, so they said it wasn't going to be raining at the top of the show. So I thought, let me wear this dress with this enormous train on it, like a rug fanny. And then I was underneath the stage back there. I could hear you all, by the way. You lot in the corners over there on this side. You're a real vibe, yeah. And then you had me a bit shook because one of you went, "We can see you under there, Adele," and I was like, in my underwear. Anyway, I'm going to go into another song for you. This dress is quite complicated. Thank you, girls. Look at it.